बहुत ज्यादा साउंड है।
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, today Ayan Vyas will not join as he told me because it is his Hindi tuition today. He's in
Hindi,
my class.
he is in your class. Okay. So Hindi tuition from this time he has.
Yeah, he has Hindi tuition, he told me today.
Okay, no problem.
I don't know if he joins, I don't know.
Okay. We'll wait for some more participants to come. Okay, students. Then we'll start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are starting the class now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So today's class is about Science Olympiad. Okay. You know all about the timings and everything. So we shall start
Yeah, ma'am.
from the course coverage, like what all things we have to cover in this for Science Olympiad. The first topic is logical reasoning. Then it's about the main science text, the book which you are studying now. You might have all these topics, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have the same topic. Maybe you have a different book, but the topics would more or less would be same. Fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then you have the
Yeah, ma'am.
expert section, then previous year question papers, which we'll be doing. Today is the introductory part. So I'll introduce you about all the topics which you have to cover, and we'll do few questions. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So that you have a basic idea about what all we are going to cover. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Ready. So in logical reasoning, the first section is about patterns. Like you have to draw out, you have to understand what is the different ways of things which you have to analyze, which you have to solve in order to get the final answer. First is analogy and classification. Have you ever come across these types of questions?
No, ma'am. I
No.
don't know analogy.
You don't know analogy. Okay, I'll tell you. Hello, Nirvi. We have just started the class and I'm telling about the course coverage. So in logical reasoning, we have first analogy and classification. Unless you know the topic, you will not be able to solve it, right? So that's why I'm giving you the basic idea about what it is. In analogy, what do? We do comparison of things. Like it's based on the objects. Then we analyze whether they are alike, whether they are similar. Then we find out the loop. What is it? For example, you have 4:2. 4:2. Proportion to x is to 4. Okay, you know the table of 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
2 cross 2, 4. Then 4 cross what?
Yes.
4 cross what? 2 cross 2, 4.
2.
It is 4, right?
4 cross 2 is 2.
4 cross 2 is 8. Okay?
Yeah,
so you got what it will come. It is, if it is 4:2, then it should be 8:4. These types of analogy questions will be there. Then you have alphabet test. Okay. In alphabet test, what will happen? Like suppose you are given certain words which are not in a correct sequence and you have to put it in a meaningful word. I'll give you a very small example. TAC. Tell me.
TAC.
Yeah.
TAS.
No, you have to tell me, like it is jumbled one. This alphabet is jumbled one. You have to tell me the meaningful word. What can
Cat.
be? Cat. It's so simple. Fine, but these so many simple may not come. So once we exercise, we do more of questions, we'll know more about the different types. Fine. Then coding and decoding. What is coding? Suppose in army and all, what people do they talk in the language which we talk so that the enemy will understand what we are talking about? No. They have certain codes which they decode. And who can decode? Only their teammates can decode. Same way, you will have certain symbols. Yes, tell me.
I still didn't understand the coding decoding.
I'm still explaining, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. There will be certain symbols, certain numbers, certain alphabets. Fine. Then there will be, for one or the other alphabets, there will be certain questions. Like for A is denoted by 1. It will be given in the question. A is denoted by 1, B is denoted by 2, star marks is denoted by certain alphabet. Then you will have certain question. Something will be written and you have to decode it. So Suppose you have been given the question, you have to write it. A stands for what, B stands for what. In that way,
Means?
once we are doing the question, no, you'll be able to solve it. I'm just giving you a gist about it. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then ranking. What is ranking?
Getting points.
Getting points. But here in logical reasoning, suppose what is there, like you are sad, there is one boy or any girl, that girl is sitting 25th from the left. Like if we count from the left side, she is on the 25th position. And if we are counting from the right side, suppose one boy is there, he's sitting like 27th position from the left side of the row. Okay. If we count from the left side, he is on the 27th position. And if you count from the right side, he is on the 34th position. Then you are asked to find the total number of students. Those types of questions, like it is an arrangement of positions.
Students.
Yes, arrangement of positions or ranking of an object, either from the left side or from the right side or from the top or from the bottom. Fine. So how will you do this question? Like he's 27th from the left side, 34th from the right side, and he's the only one student. We will add 27 plus 34 and subtract -1. Okay. We will get his rank, like we will get the total number of students. Yes.
Ma'am, in the exam, will we get rough work to do?
Definitely you will get rough work to do. Like how will you solve the question? Suppose it is the science in English. Okay, you have to understand in English. In science, you have to, okay, read the text. But in maths, how will you do? You definitely have the rough work to do. Inside, you can just draw a line from the scale. Whatever copy you are given, you just have to draw a line and you have to do it neatly so that your work, which is fair, the teacher should understand like this is fair or what. Fine. And the thing
Yes,
is like, yes, you will be given options also, like how you have to do, or the teachers present there will tell you. Then we have grouping of figures. There will be figures which you have to group all together. Figure matrix, mirror images, like see, if you stand in front of mirror, if you write any letter, does it becomes inverted?
No.
Yes. See,
Yeah.
if you write A, and if you write A on a paper and put it in front of the mirror, will it be the same A?
No.
No, that's what mirror images. You have to understand, you have to analyze it, and you have to write it. Geometrical shapes, those are triangles, okay, rectangles, square, and all these types of questions. Embedded figures. What is embedded figures? In order to solve any question, you must know the meaning first. So embedded figures are actually the hidden figures. There will be figure, there will be hidden figure, and there will be 4 options. You have to find out which figure is there, which is resembling the main question. There will be one figure in the question and there will be 4 options provided. You have to find it out. So you have to observe it nicely. Okay. Then days and dates and possible combinations. Days and dates, for that you need to know about the calendar. Number of months in a year, 12 months, leap year, all these things. We will be solving it, we'll come across these. It's just about the knowledge about the topics. Then we have science, which you are studying in your classes, right? All these topics, plants and animals, birds, food, housing, each and every topic we will do in a certain class. And then later on, we'll move on to the achiever section. So achiever section, you will only be able to do it once you finish it off, logical reasoning and science. Fine. And previous year question papers will be solving. Now, course timelines are what? Course timelines are basically what? Today is the introduction, 9th of August. Then we have the first chapter, that plants, animals, birds, and food. We will be covering it on 16th of August. 23rd of August, we will be doing housing, clothing, and occupation. Like what type of houses we live in, pakka house, kacha house, different types of houses and different types of places. Like cold places, we live in igloo, warm places, Rajasthan and all. Then we have transport, communication, and safety rules, that traffic signals, red light, green light, transport, how do we transport? what are the different means of communication which we use. Like earlier we used to use telephone, now it has moved on to the most fastest ones, that is the internet,
Yes, ma'am.
because of which we are able to study. You are somewhere far at some place and I'm somewhere far at another place, right?
Yeah,
Was it,
ma'am.
was it possible earlier? No, it wasn't.
We
Then,
took pigeons and postmans to deliver it.
yes. Then the first one was pigeon, right? The very first one
Yeah,
was
ma'am.
pigeon. Then it came postman. Then we have just graduated to so many other advances. Then we have on 6th of September, we will be doing human body. Now in human body, we have digestive system and so many, it's all the functions of the pancreas, the oesophagus, the food pipeline, small intestine, large intestine. We'll read external parts, internal parts of the body. All these we will be covering. Universe, earth and universe, what all we have on the earth. Like universe is the vast expanse of space, what all we covering, planet, moon, stars, matter and
Yes, ma'am.
materials, the characteristics
Ma'am,
of
when is
materials.
our exam? When is our exam?
That will come on the next slide. I'll tell you. Basically I'm telling about the course timelines, like how we are going to cover it, how we are going to move to the destination. Our journey is this, it starts from 9th of August today and it ends on 25th of October. Our journey continues from here to here. Okay. Then we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
13th of September, we'll be doing light, sound, and force, our environment, what all is there, what all is constituting our environment. And from 20th of September, we will start our first practice paper. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
2022-23 on, then we have 27th of September, 4th October, 11th, 18th, all these will be covering the question papers. I'll give you the questions to solve. You'll be solving it. If you don't understand, you'll be asking me the question and I'll provide you with the answers. Okay. Then on 25th of October, we'll just be revising what all we have learned. There will be a fast revision of everything. Plus,
Yes,
you can also ask about any query which you have. I'll solve it in the class itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your exam is on 17th of October. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Your science exam. You all have enrolled for it?
Yes, ma'am. I have enrolled.
For which all?
I have enrolled for English. My mom told I have enrolled for English and science.
And science, not maths.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Still we will be having, for maths also we are having classes. So even if you have not enrolled, you can just come on to the class and learn about the basic things. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I'll come.
Okay, fine. Then now we have pattern and marking scheme. That is the sample paper. Okay. Sample paper we must know. Like these types of questions will come. You need to revise it. You need to practice it. The more you practice, the more you will be able to
There
do.
there would be 1 hour for us to complete.
Yes.
And total
Total number of
questions
questions will be 35. And the sections are logical, science, and achiever. You already know. Number of questions in logical reasoning will be 5, for which you will be awarded 1 marks each. In second part, there are 25 questions, for which again you have the 1 mark. For the achiever section, you have 5 questions, for which there will be 2 marks each. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll start with some of the questions. So first question is, which of the following clocks shows the time 2 hours 20 minutes after 9:40 a.m.? You all solve it and tell me. Then I'll provide you with the answer.
Ma'am, I got it.
All others? Everyone got it?
I got it.
Your name?
Dhani.
Dhani got it. Who all got it? Everyone has to tell. Others got it? Tell me yes, no, I will tell otherwise. Or still you want to solve?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Got it.
Got it? We'll just wait for 2 seconds for others to answer. Otherwise, you can just answer, okay?
Ma'am, I know the answer.
You know the answer. Okay. Tell me the answer.
It's the D.
It's D. Others got it? How to get the answer? If no, tell me, I will tell. Still, I will tell. Chalo. Which of the following clocks shows the time 2 hours 20 minutes after 9:40 a.m.? So after 9:40 a.m., what will be the time which comes 2 hours 20 minutes later? 9 a.m. Fine. Just add 2 hours into that. What it will be?
Ma'am, it will become 12.
9. If you add
11.
9 p.m., it will be 11, right? Then there
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
40 minutes, here is 20 minutes. Both of them make 60 minutes.
Yes.
So that becomes 1 hour. 11 plus
Yeah.
1, that is 12. So D is the correct answer, D option. Now, do the second question. Yeah. Tell me what you are saying.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, Nidvi also got the answer.
Ma'am, even I got the answer.
Very good. Very good if you got it.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
It's B.
It's B. Yes, you see the pattern is, you know, the pattern.
Because they both are together without a triangle. So
Yeah.
they are like, the pattern is like that. After a triangle, the both rectangles are coming together.
Yes. First, it is coming left side. Okay. Then right side. Then there is inverted triangle. Isn't it? If we see
Yes, ma'am.
inverted triangle, then again it is left side.
Yes,
Joshi,
ma'am.
you are little late, and I have already covered the course material, like what all is coming, and we have started with the question. We are in question number 2. So you can just start from here. Later on, recording will be available. Then again, it is left side, right side, a triangle. Left side, right side, an inverted triangle. Left side, then what it should be? Right side. B. B is the correct answer. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood? If you're not understanding, you have to ask me. It's not that if you're not getting, you will not be able to do it.
Ma'am, I got it.
Others, I can't hear anyone else's voice.
Yes, I got it.
You got it. Okay.
Ma'am, even I got it.
Very good. Then we have the third one. Find the odd one out.
Ma'am, can I say I got the answer?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am,
It's
it's
the
the
B.
ball.
It's the basketball. It is the basketball. You all play with it, right? It's
Yeah,
the
ma'am.
basketball, isn't it?
It is only the thing, not. It is only the thing.
And
Because
others, everything is?
everything
Ma'am,
is
everything
like,
is made out of furniture.
Good.
it's a furniture. But the
Yeah.
basketball is not a furniture.
It's not a furniture. Next question. What can be the reason that a taxi driver has to be more careful when driving on a rainy day than driving on a hot summer day? Just do it, everyone.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Okay, let others also do it, then we'll tell the answer. And you have to answer. I will ask. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
You all have got the book also for the Olympiad?
No, ma'am.
You haven't?
No, ma'am.
So you have to buy it or school is providing?
Ma'am, we have to pay and we'll get it after a month.
After a month. But you have exam in like, it's not far. After a month, they will be giving in school.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because in Vibgyor, it's like that.
In Vibgyor, it's like that. Okay, you are from Vibgyor.
Yes, ma'am. And some of my friends are also here.
Ma'am, even I am from Webcure.
You are from, you can ask your friends to join. Okay.
I don't have the numbers.
Did you get the book?
Book you will be getting soon, but you are getting after a month. It will be little late. No ways, I will be solving all the questions. You can solve it here in the class itself. Everyone done with the question? Everyone done with the question? Tell me fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Others, I can't hear the voice. It's the similar voice which I am getting for all the questions. Others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 2,
Yes, ma'am.
3. Yes, ma'am. Okay, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it's D.
It's D. D. And
Yes,
others?
ma'am.
Others?
B.
B. Who told B?
Nirvi.
Nirvi. Okay, Nirvi will tell me why it is B. Nirvi, your answer is correct, but if you could tell me how you got the answer.
Because it is the opposite of fictional. So,
Yes, you are correct. See, over here we are seeing that what can be the reason? Like, even if we are going in a rainy day, you know, sometimes if we are little fast or anything like that happens, our vehicle is slips. It's more chances of slipping, isn't it, on a rainy day? Isn't it? Hello.
yes.
Yes. So the what is like in frictional force, it is a contact force. Okay. While we are driving a car. So the frictional force, what it helps is, it helps us in steering and braking the heels. Like while we are steering our steering and we are braking, then wheels that will stop that time. So when there is rain, as water comes, rain is there, water comes in contact. Contact of what? Contact of the road and our car tire. Those are two rough surface, isn't it? So as a result of which, what happens? Like the force, that is the frictional force which is there now, it also decreases. And it becomes very difficult for us to drive. Why? Because the wheels of the car, the tires of the car, that they start slipping.
Yeah, ma'am.
They start slipping. Everyone got it now?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, we'll do question 5th. Water droplets that are too heavy to float make
I got the answer.
your name?
Dhani.
Dhani. Okay. Others got it?
Yes.
Tell me then fast.
C.
See, rain. Yeah. Why? Because rain is heavy. It comes down.
Heavy.
Fog.
It's rain.
Yeah, fog. Fog like, see, fog
They
is,
don't have weight only.
yeah, they don't have clouds. They're in the sky floating. Smoke. That also doesn't come down. Rain only comes down, na? Now, which
Yes,
of
ma'am.
these organ systems gives shape and support to our body and protects the important organs of the body, such as lungs, brain, heart, etc.?
Ma'am, I think I got the answer.
You
Yes,
got the
ma'am.
answer.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, tell me.
D.
Ma'am, C.
Who told D?
Ma'am, me.
Name?
Dhani.
Dhani, D. And who told C?
Mummy.
Who?
Mummy. Sid.
Sid. Sid.
Yeah. Yeah.
C is the correct answer. See, it is a skeleton, no? Which of these organ systems gives support? What gives support to our body and protects the important now? It is the full body. along with the muscles.
Oh.
It is the skeleton.
Oh.
Yeah, that gives support, no? No
Yeah,
problem.
ma'am.
No problem. Now the next question is ducks. Wait,
Ma'am, it's not coming.
it will come. Wait. Ducks have, wait,
Ma'am, I can see. Ma'am, I can see it.
बरोबर म्हणजे तुम्ही काय होते बघा इंग्लिश
Ma'am, A.
इंग्लिश त्याचं मिळणार नाही कारण ते why not coming?
What?
so question 7 is B. Question 7 is B. Flat beaks. Okay. Now do question 8. P and Q are correctly represented by?
Good.
P and Q are
Correctly represented by, do it little fast because very less time is there. P is edible, Q is inedible. Like edible which you can eat, inedible you cannot. Which one is the option? Shall I tell the answer?
Ma'am, I know C.
Yes, correct.
B
Plum,
and C.
it is C. Plum and cotton. Cotton is inedible, no?
C.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Now in achiever section, when a seedling grows, it depends on the seed leaves for nutrition until the first leaves are formed. Which of the following graph correctly identifies the changes in mass of seed leaf and shoot over time? What shall be the answer? I will tell you the answer fast, okay? Because we are only 5 minutes are left. Shall I tell? Everyone, shall I tell the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
See, the answer is A. Why? Because when a seedling grows, when a seed grows, it is very small. When we are putting on the seed, it is very small, right? So as it grows up, depending on the nutrition, and when the first leaves are formed, what is the shoot? The portion above the ground is called the shoot. Then what will happen? The Y is the portion above the ground that will go up and seed will become slow. Day by day, it will go on vanishing and the fruit will go up. So Y is up, X is down. Seedling is down and the fruit is up. So A is the correct answer. Here, seedling is going up, that is wrong. B is wrong. In C, what happens? The seedling is parallel and the fruit is just above, that is also wrong. D is also wrong. So A is the correct answer. Got it? Now we
Yes,
have the next question, that is question number 10. Observe the given pictures carefully and select the correct conclusion regarding liquids X, Y, and Z. Liquid X, liquid Y, and liquid Z. See, liquid X. The sheet below
Yes,
is
ma'am.
full on transparent. Liquid Y, it is partially visible, so it is translucent. And the sheet below Z is totally black. That means no light is passing. The above one is torch. So it is opaque.
Opaque. The
Opaque. Do you know the
X is opaque and the X is opaque
no?
and
No, I'll tell you. See, X is transparent and liquid Z is opaque because no light is passing. That is why the cardboard beneath the light, beneath the glass is black. No light is passing. Suppose you are, see, if you put your hand and you put a torch above it and you put this thing, any paper, what will happen? Your shadow will come, no? So that is opaque. Your hand is barring the light to go on to the cardboard. And if you
ma'am, it's the liquid X is transparent and liquid Z is opaque.
okay, fine. And later on, see, I will tell you the objects through which light can pass, that is called transparent. Examples are water and glass. And those objects through which light can pass partially. If you are putting just your finger all out, okay, you are not crossing your finger, all finger out, then light will go torch up, blank paper down, and your hands in between. Your hands in between, shadow will fall. So that is called, it will become black. Fine. So the answer is liquid X is transparent because the cardboard is all white. And liquid Z is opaque. Liquid Z is opaque because over there the cardboard is black. Fine. Got the answer? No, one minute is left. Now in next class, we will be covering plants, animals, and birds.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you do is we'll meet in the next class. You just tell me how was the class and I will be sharing more of the questions, more of the things with you all, and you can ask your queries. You can just WhatsApp your email or IDs, share calendar with your friends, invite your friends for the future class so that the class will be more interactive, more of the students will join, and you'll have more ideas to share with all. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I like.
Everyone like the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Any feedback? And I love teaching you guys. You all were so interactive in the class. If kids are quiet,
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
teachers understand like they are not understanding anything. But you people have understood well and you have answered well. So very good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome. Slowly we can leave the class. Bye-bye,
Yeah, ma'am.
everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.